Okay, here's part 2 of yesterday's farm life. Thomas does not like to be on camera, but he's gonna be. Thomas, can I videotape you and this baby calf?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you for your permission. Oh, he just got this calf out of that porch right there. How's it doing?
It's doing okay.
Oh, are you gonna carry it somewhere, or Daddy just wanted you to? Greg, say hi.
I was gonna go put him in the dog.
Greg, he's about to go pee. Ah, okay. Hi, everybody. Dogs, dog. Okay, calf. So, what'd you say, Thomas? I'm sorry.
I'm about to put it in the dog kennel over there.
What dog? Oh, the little dog. Okay, I want to go with you to do that. So, because it was so cute, you carrying it. It's so cute. Is it a Charolais? No, it's Angus.
Charolais white. This is like a cross between Charolais and Angus.
I know, that's what I meant, because it's gray.
Yeah.
Oh, Charolais and Angus mix. Thomas, say hi to everybody. Do you want to tell them a little bit about yourself?
Not really.
Okay, I'm really pushing it here.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, whenever you're ready. You want to carry it?
Yes.
Or do you want it to, oh, maybe you want it to walk. Okay. Maybe you want to carry, I don't know. Is it going to be a bottle calf?
Yeah.
Obviously. Is it a girl or boy?
I don't even know.
Is it going to, I'm sorry.
I just know I had to feed it this morning.
Oh, and oh, isn't it just precious? Smaller than my poodle. Clyde or Walter, what do you think? Walter, you really got your eyebrows trimmed. Walter, let me see your eyebrows. Look at your eyebrows. Here, look, eyebrows. Thomas, is it gonna be your and Charlie's calf?
Yeah.
So have
We
you?
have 3 others in the farm.
Okay, and it's you. I'm sorry, you said it's a girl or boy?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Sorry. So next question, I'm sure you don't know what to name it. Hey, can we let YouTube name it? What?
Sure.
Okay, leave a comment below. Name this baby. Give me a boy name and a girl name. So it could go either way. I'll tell you what comes to mind. Easter comes to mind. Maybe something about Easter. Bunny, if it's a girl. No, we can think more about Jesus than rabbits. But, oh, it gave me the cutest little, it bawled yesterday right when I put my phone near it. Look at it shaking. All right, Thomas, thanks. Yeah, but it's cold. Okay, I'm going with you. Now where are you going to eat lunch?
Yep.
Where's your other little ones? Over here?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. Here's his other. Aw. He or she is over there. Oh, you're bawling. That's a good sign. Healthy. Feisty. And probably talking to this one here. Aw, he's vocal. He's super vocal. Or she. You are super vocal. I've never seen one you so vocal this little. All right, here's the other ones. You are looking good and big. Sandy. Oh, they're all kind of spread out. There's one in that little pen over there. And there's one just laying there. And there's lots and lots more that are in all sorts of separate pens. and get real excited to come up here and eat. And I'm going to show you something. I thought this was really neat. This is a conveyor belt for hay, and Greg just turned this into a big, long feeding trough. Mom, look how cool this is. Okay, big, long feeding trough. They had to do some welding. They had to weld on this mud flap so that the food will not fall out that end. And they had to weld on. Okay, I'll show you. This is repurposing at its finest. I love this. Big, long food trough. I'm trying to wave. I'm trying to make a shadow wave. Okay, this is a seat out of a tractor. They welded onto there as another stopping point. And then that is just one little strand of electric fence so that they can lean in here and eat. But if they lift their head up, they'll get shocked. And we had to work out some kinks because when they set this up the other day, they kept popping right on through, especially because if they were up here eating, a bunch of them would come up here to eat, and then they'd push them on through. So we had lots of little calves in our backyard. There's the house. It's really coming along. It has just grown immensely with that big front porch and with the addition on the back. The back was 1 story, now it's 2 story. It is coming along to the point that I have the joy of the task of pick and paint colors. We're to the point where we need to pick some paint colors, which, by the way, I need to do that now while the sun is right there because it gets very, very dark up there, and I need to pick some paint colors while I have daylight and get my job done. So that's all. Terry, Aaron, how you like that for more farm life? In fact, my husband saying he was about to pee. Farm life. That is farm life. That's why when I got pregnant for the 4th time, people said, "Oh, I bet you want a girl. I know you're trying for a girl." I said, "No, I'll take 10 boys. That's all I knew." And I said, "They're so easy." I used to say, we just keep their hair short and we teach them to pee off the porch. Off the porch is key, not on the porch. But we had these 2 little girls, and what a blessing they are because they are my buddies. My mom said recently, "Emily, it's so great to hear about the girls, but tell me more about the boys." I said, "If you want to know about the boys, you need to text them or call them and find out because I don't know about the boys." Those boys, they would move out in a heartbeat if I let them, especially Charlie. No, I'm kidding. I don't know that. I just found a quarter. Hallelujah. Yes. Clara, making a video. "Hi, baby. You love your mama." I know you do. I'm telling about how much my girls are just my buddies. And those boys, they just want to go. What does Thomas want to do now? Today and tomorrow. Go be with his girlfriend. Ooh, Claire. Come here. You got something in your... What? Claire,
April Fool's.
no.
April.
What is it? It's a quarter behind your ear.
Oh yeah, I hid that back there last year.
Oh, okay. Anyways, where was I? Pee. I wanted to teach them to pee off the porch, and then I just kept their hair short. But come to think of it, we don't have a very good porch to pee off anymore. Front porch, but people are constantly, look, there's a highway right, I'm not going to show you, but there's a highway right in front of my house. Okay, I was about to tell that story. Come here. Come here. I did not teach her. She learned herself. All right, jump up here on my hip. You're not too big. Oh my gosh. Okay, jump. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm feeling strong. Yeah, I've been working out, girl. Okay, so when Mary was
Like, 4.
2, maybe, she was on the porch, and I looked over. Do you want to tell the story?
She was on the porch, and then Mama looked over, and she was peeing.
She had her pants down, and she was peeing on the porch. And I said, "Mary, what are you doing?" And she said, "The boys pee on the porch. I want to pee on the porch." I said, "First of all, they pee off the porch. If you can figure out a way to pee off the porch, by all means, please." But that's tricky for us ladies, isn't it? Toilets for us, right? right?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. I'm done with this video. Terry, Aaron, there's some farm life for you. You want to say anything?
I hope you all are blessed.
Thank you, Clara. And I love you dearly. Let's talk again soon. Bye.